Hi everyone! Today is so beautiful and so hot outside. It's probably like around 24, 26, and next week it's gonna be around 28, 29. I love weather like this because haha, it's watermelon season. It's so yummy. These are so sweet. So you know, like normally a lot of people, they throw away the watermelon peel after they finish eating. I'm gonna show you what my mom does. She saves the watermelon peel, she pickles it, and when it's ready, she would slice it up and she would stir fry it, and it comes out so yummy. I don't know if you had it before. None of my friends ever have. They laugh at me when I told them that my mom took watermelon peel. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. Give it a try. I hope you like it. Let it sit there for a couple of days in the fridge to get it really sour, when the vinegar really get into the watermelon and give it that nice tangy flavor. So until then, I will see you in a bit. So this dish is, I don't think you can get it anywhere else. It's more like our home village type of dish. You need a few ingredients to do this. You need pickled watermelon. Oopsie. Smells so nice. Garlic, ginger, sugar, oyster sauce, black bean sauce. So as you know, I don't like mincing garlic because it makes my fingers smell. Not a nice smell. So I always have these pre-minced ones. I get them from the Korean market. They're pretty inexpensive and they're done up for you. So it saves you a lot of time cooking. They're pretty cheap. I think they're like $2 something, I'm sure, maybe. You can go check it out. Ready to cook this awesome dish? Yes. So I'm gonna take out the hard peel. So that was pretty easy, wasn't it? You could do so many things with it. You can slice it up and make it into a salad, eat it cold, or you can stir fry it and add some Asian sauce like black bean and make a really yummy dish and stir fry it with beef or pork or chicken. and it's also super yummy and healthy if you're a vegetarian. And you can just eat this alone, or you can incorporate chicken or beef in there. How's that? That's even better, right? But this is just the basic. You can incorporate anything you want in there. So I am gonna try one of them out. Look at that. It looks like meat, kind of fatty beef. No. Who would have thought that you'll be eating watermelon peel? I mean, why waste food, right? Wow, it has a little bit of sourness to it because of the vinegar. I added a little bit of sugar in there to counteract the sourness, so it's really good. You can taste a little bit of the oyster sauce, garlic, black bean sauce, and it's crunchy. So give this a try and tell me how your dish turned out, whether you like it or not. If you learned something new or you love what you're seeing right now and you want more, well, you know what you need to do? Yep, press the button down there. And I will see you next week. Bye.